worse than it has ever been. That's how a juvenile court judge describes the situation at the Department of Children's Services.
The judge says children often sleep in office buildings because DCS has no foster homes for them.
Investigative reporter Ben Hall examined police reports, and Ben, these are some heartbreaking problems.
Well, they really are. A 12-year-old sexually assaulted by another minor in a DCS office building while awaiting placement. Other police reports show kids just run away from the office.
You just check with the bus station, just tell him to be on the lookout for him. He's going to be a runaway.
This is radio traffic of police trying to find a young boy who ran away from the downtown DCS office.
He's wearing a hoodie that's red, brown, and has green in it.
We found he's one of more than 40 kids who ran away from the office building at 500 James Robertson Parkway in the last year, all eventually listed as a missing person in these police reports.
So how surprised are you to see all of these missing person reports?
It's unfortunate. I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised.
It's become so bad that juvenile court judge Sheila Calloway has a standing order for DCS to notify her anytime a child spends the night at the office building. And she says it's happening more than ever before.
We're probably at the worst that it's been. We have to acknowledge we have a problem. We are in a crisis. We have to acknowledge that.
Dirt, trash.
In July, former DCS caseworker Terry Nelson saw this.
They were sleeping on the floor. There were no blankets, there were no pillows, there were no cots.
Nelson took cell phone video of children she was called in to watch, who were brought into DCS custody. They had no home for them, so the kids slept on the conference room floor.
That's demeaning. We just told them they don't matter.
Judge Calloway says these kids are removed from their homes because they were abused or neglected, not because they did something wrong.
When they're sitting in an office and that's where they're told to sleep, to me, it's worse than probably where they think they came from.
And some decide to run away. For example, a 13-year-old girl with mental health issues was removed from her unsafe home because of a drug-addicted mom. She has been repeatedly taken to the DCS office building because DCS can't find a permanent foster home for her. She has now been arrested from the DCS office 4 different times for things like disorderly conduct.
Then you call the police on her, and then she's brought here to a detention facility in handcuffs.
Judge Calloway said when neglected kids get arrested, DCS often pressures her to keep them in detention because they have no place for them.
We don't have anywhere else for her to go. Can you all keep her overnight? We get those calls daily. And so now we are criminalizing their behaviors because we are not doing right by them. And so we're putting a label on them that they're a runaway.
Keeping kids in office buildings has led to other serious problems. Last month, DCS reported a 12-year-old and 17-year-old had sex while awaiting placement at the DCS office building on Athens Way. The 17-year-old can be charged with rape because by law, a 12-year-old is too young to consent. DCS said in a statement it has launched an investigation into that incident in coordination with law enforcement. It said corrective actions are underway, including the termination or resignation of 2 DCS employees.
When is the last time that a child in DCS custody has spent the night in state office building?
In March, DCS Commissioner Jennifer Nichols was asked about kids in office buildings during Senate budget hearings.
People say in an office. A lot of times it's in an Isaiah house or another safe space, but in the way we track it, it just shows that they haven't found their placement yet.
Judge Calloway was disappointed with the commissioner's response.
I believe that they're downplaying how serious this is, and I believe that we have got to do more.
DCS says they've asked lawmakers for help with placement problems and with finding more foster families. The department said Governor Lee seeks to address these issues in his new budget.
Ben, I know a big problem with this is we just don't have enough caseworkers, right? A lot of them have left.
It's a huge problem. There are currently more than 600 open caseworker positions. The department says there are 2,700 budgeted positions, so 600, and they're working aggressively to fill those positions.
Wow. Ben, thank you.